Eight's doing good. James Long, I got 2 Audio Legion 5Ks, running 10 CT Strato 8s.
Okay.
In a Bassaholic Productions box.
Wow, did you build this?
Yes, I build everything.
Nice. I like that. You got your amp rack here instead of on the box, and you got your seats still. That's pretty cool. And it's 8s. I haven't seen many builds like this. I like that. What is your box tuned to?
36.
36. Okay. And is there a battery bank underneath?
There's a 60 amp hour lithium under the box.
Okay. And any upgraded alternator?
Yep, it's a 350 Brand X.
Okay. All right. Nice. Thanks for the info, man. I'd love to hear it. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So I do a lot of YouTube videos, JacobViral. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Yes, sir. Good, can I see the back? Oh yeah, there you go. Very nice.
Goddamn, son. I like that. They sound good. What are they?
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Jame system. This was at the Slamology 2022 show. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. 10 8-inch subwoofers. Pretty much the only time I've ever seen this many 8-inch subs in a vehicle. And, of course, the loudest 8-inch sub system ever heard with 10. So, subs up, port back is usually most optimal in SUVs. Did a really good job. Be sure to comment what you like about his system. I really like the amplifier layout. He still has 2 of his back seats, and he's got his big bass amplifiers and his 4-channel amplifiers. You can actually hear the lyrics through the mid-range and the tweeters during the demo as well, if you didn't hear it during the intro. And the way he has his amplifier stack range, really good airflow, everything's in place, and don't have to worry about vibration issues. So I like the logo he has. CT Sounds is the brand he's ran, even though he does have Audio Legion amplifiers. And the specs of the actual subwoofer I wanted to see, looks like they are 1,200 watts peak power, 600 watts RMS. So pretty good beefy subs for some 8-inch subs, pack a punch. And of course, put 10 of them in an SUV and you'll bat to see pretty much what happens. 10,000 watts versus 10 of these 8-inch subwoofers in this bass demo. Welcome to my channel, JacobViral. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do daily car audio videos every day on my channel, and enjoy this impressive demo. I'd love to hear it. All right.
You're afraid? Close your eyes and count. All right.
good. That's awesome, man. Appreciate it.